My friend, not the trap. We're being escorted right now to our room. Awesome show, to be honest. In the pool. Oh man, guys, up here is where the view is. Please, we have a. I look at this. I gotta take a couple pictures as well and see how it looks.
One eternity later.
Ooh, guys, just reached out where we're going. Luxe Beach Resort. Well, I know we still look for the beach there, but I think the beach is across the road. You come down here, son, and go over to the beach, man. Just make your way down here to the secret door. And that means I don't know what I'm gonna do. No, it's not gonna go. We're being escorted right now to our room. Oh wait, this is our room. Wrong way. As I said, housekeeping is relaxed, but if you have a request, you let us know we have somebody assist. Alright? Okay. You can actually go out of the balcony.
Yeah, no, but I was
Oh, no. They don't know it's bad.
It doesn't look bad.
No, bad.
Whoa, the bathroom is awesome!
Yeah.
But where's the curtain?
Oh,
How is it?
there's no curtain.
It's what it is.
There's no curtain, you just have to close the bathroom. No, ain't no little bad in there. Oh, no, get the microwave. Closet. Ooh. We got cup and plates and everything. Oh, we got the knife and fork and spoon. Oh, like with the...
I like it. It's an American place.
Later.
Not sure how many of you guys are familiar with Discovery Bay, but we just stopped out here to get some food. What is this? Chopsticks. This is the restaurant that the locals recommended. Guys, we just went down to Discovery Bay to buy some food real quick. Nothing serious. Which one is mine? This one? Oh, this one?
No, one that's full.
Yeah, one that isn't full.
Yeah, that's mine.
How it tastes?
I don't like it.
Well, you don't like it? Well, you turn on the light.
It's Duffy.
It come on by itself.
It come on and it come off.
Just like how this light get bright and not bright sometimes. Turning on this light in here. I can't wait. I'm actually gonna be going to the food later. In fact, I might go there now. So yes, guys, this is the food. Why does the food look like this?
You know, don't you?
No, why look like this? I'm confused. Is that why we're booking a reservation for the next day?
I think so.
Alright guys, I'm gonna munch on in this. Woo! Out here in the pool with mom and dad. The pool lighting up. It's pretty cool. Calm down. The colors are... Hey, calm down. The colors are nice. I think mommy's booking a hotel for tomorrow because we want to go to another place. We're not fully satisfied with right here, but it's going good to me though. Like for me, at least, I'm chilling.
Cheese.
Why don't you just like chilling on the step? Just sitting on the step.
What is that? Put your phone on the water.
No, I put it in, I get the case. Good job.
Take an epic picture of the water in the air.
No, it won't work. Inside that video, we'll have to do 3, 2, 1. Yes. Woo. Guys, I just done take a nice shower a while ago. In the shower, just done take a nice shower, spread out this towel. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go there. But yeah. Awesome shower, to be honest with you. Awesome shower. Okay, so a few updates, guys. Might be going to another hotel tomorrow. Might be going to another hotel tomorrow. But the stay has been pretty good so far for me at least. I mean, there are some shortcomings, but overall it's pretty fun for me so far. One thing that I can say is I wish that in the hallway, where the kitchenette is, I wish there was some drips, because sometimes when people are in the parking lot, they can look directly up here and see us just like sitting down in the kitchenette, and that's not really so fun because where's the privacy in that sense, you know. But yeah, the stays here has been enjoyable so far. I really like this mirror. I might actually end up taking some pics here. Hey guys, this is you guys. Yeah, this is another camera. This is a Panasonic Lumix G7. I got it recently. Not fully mine, but you know, it's more like a family camera. I don't know what to really call it. Oh god, next. What's the move for the rest of the night? Not so sure. What the move for the rest of the night is, but I think we're gonna like eat something. And I did download some shows on Netflix because the TV here, for some reason, it's not connecting to their internet and they don't have cables, so the TV is virtually useless. Yeah, that's what's happening right now.
I'm gonna stay out of it. Look, why would you even care about Lola anyway? I don't. You don't.
Only legends know about how good this movie is.
No!
The next day.
It's 5:44 now, and I woke up earlier because I did go to bed kind of early. Because this morning, before we leave this hotel, I'm going to make sure that I get to go down to the beach. Might go in the pool again, so I can have breakfast and all and stuff and take a couple pictures, and that's the plan for the morning. The sleep was good too, can't complain. The bed wasn't uncomfy, it was pretty comfortable. Tomorrow's hotel review, of course, that's what it seems like this is. Vacation. Oh my gosh, talk about sun-kissed. Sun bright in my eyes still, guys. Can't take it. I'm coming out, look a shade. No, I don't even know if y'all can see me. I'm trying to hide it in my face in the world. And it's wanna live with you when you're right. You right. Got my love. Oh man, guys, up here is where the view is. Man, I'm not ready for going to the pool just yet, but I just come up here for kind of just sit down and inspect the place. So we'll see. I think I want some breakfast now still. So what time now? 6:45. I think them breakfast supposed to be ready by now because I see some employees out here, so I can go on for that.
A little bit over 4.
No, or maybe it was 4 or a little bit over. I don't know. Sea, sun, sea, and sky. Right? That's over there makes so much noise?
Yeah, man.
Sheesh, quite a boil up, man. Guys, we're about to go down to the beach. We have to ask for an escort to the beach, and then we'll go down there. I'm sure y'all where the beach is. So it's over there. Go down through here, so cross the road, and then yeah, reach at the beach because it's through those doors right there, those second doors. Woo.
This is pretty.
Yeah man, it's a nice little beach. Alright guys, so we finally made it down to the beach. Down here looking good. They have, what is? Canoe? Kayak? Crab. Look there, a crab. Watch out, another one. A crab. It gone into the water. The crabs just randomly come up out of the holes. It's crazy.
Can I have one of these?
The paddles?
No, John, so there's some nice.
Life jacket. Yeah, man, put on life jacket. Yeah. Yeah, man, we can go in there. They have seatbelt.
Imagine them come over here and tell me.
No, man, they can go in there, man. And they have your paddle. Ah, boy.
Down here so pretty. Boy.
Maggie A on the beat.
Let me get over here. A video?
Yeah, I'm videoing me.
No.
Maybe. Oh, to like make it puffy up. Oh, it's nice. A whistle. A whistle. So we're racing.
Racing what? Take time. Come in and officer, man. Daddy coming in the water.
Guys, if I can somehow get a video for when we're in this, I'll put it in the vlog. But going in this boat, it was so fun. Guys, what's this called again? Tidal pool or something like that? What are these things here? Those things, I have no idea what those are, but there's so much of them, so I'm wondering if they're like some snails or something. Cause I don't think they're stones, there's too much of them here. But Jano, guys, look at this. Look at all these shells. Mamma mia. Guys, it's moving. It's a living thing. I don't know what those are called, but they're living because that was moving a while ago. Oh, alright, that's a look nice, eh? Take a look at picture at us stills. See how them turn out. But yeah, guys, that beach here was really good. We're like, can't lie, this beach was really good. Like, I'd recommend coming here for the beach because it was fun. You have those things over there that you can go on, like the surfboard, and you have the what else, the boats, and they're free to use as long as you have access to the beach. So it's really fun for that. That's whole Luxe. This beach is what's selling Luxe right now. I'd come back for this beach. Super fun. See if we can take some picture now, and yeah, maybe get another dip in the pool before we leave, and then we're gonna start packing to go to the next hotel. We never get a chance to come on these, but we got on this and it was so fun. So much fun. 10 out of 10 recommend, as I say. Let's go. Thinking about going to the beach now. We have to walk back to the hotel room. Shanti, I don't think we're gonna get any pizza. I need to fix my hair. It's completely out of order now. I don't know. It needs to be fixed. Our hair is pretty. Can't get over it. It's so pretty out there. So pretty.
Sips tea, and it's unsweet.
We're getting ready to leave. I'm chilling. I'm sure. But a new adventure soon start. I'm looking forward to that too. Can't lie. Alright guys, the little adventure is now coming to an end. We pack up and stuff, all of that. And don't mind me having the toothbrush, probably have to use the spoon. But yeah guys, it was good, it was fun. that's where we stayed. In this little space right here. There's no downstairs for us, just like the upstairs part. I might take a picture here. I'm not sure yet. I might, because I do be looking nice. Not gonna lie, I do be looking good. Thank you for watching this video. Not sure if I'm gonna end it here as yet, or if I'm gonna let y'all continue watching. Depends on how much clips I have and how long of a video it is, but I might just make it a part 1 and a part 2. When I like it, that will be the case, guys. Just see behind me. We'll see what happens with it. So yeah. No. Oh, another place. Wow. Okay, so this is the room, guys. This is the room. Oh, we have a nice TV, I guess. What is sitting area, entertainment thing. Kind of looking for the TV remote. Oh, here it is. I wonder if it's a smart TV. Like, it being a smart TV would be a huge bonus, guys. And I turn it on. It's not. And it's right here, so I don't. Yeah, that's kind of a disappointment. And then they have this little thing right here, which is where I put bags. This nice little chair. Ooh. Relaxation. I think this is a door connecting like the other room. Closet over there comes with this nice little thing. Oh, and a mini fridge. Well, at least we have a stacked with drinks. Oh my gosh. What? Oop. I have a coffee machine and stuff with the coffee and the condiments, and I don't think I'm supposed to use the word condiments, but and this is the closet. I have an ironing board in there and an iron and a safe. And this is the bathroom. Nice little bathroom. I mean, you know, it's nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all with going on in this bathroom, but it's okay. It's just me, guys. It's okay. It's an okay room, to be honest with you. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Have that all sorted out. And see what I can do.
Later.
Alright, guys. Switching over to the legendary M100 now.
Let's go.
I think we're about to like go to get like a complimentary juice, complimentary drink. So I'm a courier. I think, what did they say? You're entitled to a complimentary fruit juice or rum punch. I'm gonna get the fruit juice, and then when I come back, I'm gonna continue watching that. Proud of my hand. That's crazy. That's crazy. Parents are here way down the hall. So let me show you what they're up to.
I like the hotel where we go, like at the Alvin juice.
Wow, I'm definitely a vlogger, y'all. This hotel looks nice. It looks nice. My room is down there. It's not upstairs up here, but it's down there. And it's okay. Got the fruit punch over there. Of course, that's something we can carry to the room.
Need something at the bar?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is the pool. This is the pool. You know, it looks okay. Pool is deep. 8 feet. Oh my gosh. Wow. Pool deep. Remember, can I rule this? Children should not use pool without adult supervision. Can drop off it away, that's all. Right, so. So we couldn't carry it to the room.
Orange pineapple, guava pie.
Give me the orange pineapple.
Alright, so serve 2 orange pineapple.
Give him your tip.
You can eat. Remember she said you can actually pay for room service and carry your food.
We can bring this to the room.
What kind of question that morning? Yeah.
A few minutes later.
Oh boy, my new video is actually almost coming out. It's coming out at 4:30, so when you guys actually see it, yeah, I was at the hotel when it dropped, so that's pretty cool to know. Look at that, 4:29. What is this? I don't even know. I'm kind of looking for TVJ at the same time. I don't know where it is. Oop, DTV cable. Well, the video soon drop, so I'm gonna just put it on this tab and refresh it when 4:30 come. Video drop. Whoever is here, let me big up whoever gotta be the first comment. Alright, we'll see who gotta be the first comment. We'll see who will be the first comment. So let's go on and wait. Look up. Refresh. And there we go. Amoy. Well done, Amoy. Big up to you. Big up to you. You're the first comment. Let me make sure I hide it. Right on camera. Alright, let me give y'all the balcony tour because I actually haven't gone on the balcony myself. Oh, it was so hot like up to not too long ago, but no, it's out there cool off now, man. But yeah, looks like I'm gonna be in this room by myself tonight. Nothing wrong still. I don't mind. And there's like this little bench out here. Oh, look at that, there's an upstairs. Guys, I don't want to drop my camera in because I'm telling you, you can clearly see it's not a close fall. But yeah guys, look out there and you can see the sea, which is cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm going inside now. I wish I carried my birds. I don't know, for some reason I wish I carried my birds. I just feel like they'd have so much fun here. I'd put them right here. And me and them go and kick it. Alright. So there's water. Soda. There's red chai, but I don't drink beer. I'll drink the Sprite. I mean, no harm. No harm in drinking a little Sprite.
1 hour later.
Alright, so this is the fit because now we're gonna go for dinner. Mask, wearing the jacket, wearing this Aero shirt, you guys have seen it before, and shoes and pants. And we're gonna taste test their food. I'm carrying you guys with me. Hey, voiceover Shamsi here, popping in to just move things along. The waiter was telling us that they're having it buffet style tonight and that we can just go over whenever we're ready, and best believe we did ready same time. This is what I got. To be honest, it wasn't all that. Maybe because I'm not used to that fancy food. Oh, and I also got a broth. The dessert was absolutely busting though. Like, it was actually so good. Then we were all just chilling and talking poolside, you know, after dinner and all. And then we just kind of made our way back to our rooms. Well, dinner was good. Dinner was kind of good. It was alright. Yeah. Alright guys, leaving the restaurant. Just gonna be chilling for the rest of the night because there's not that much to do right now. And yeah. Oh boy. Guys, I don't know if you can see me very well, but basically we're going to bed. Or just, I'm just turning in for the night. I don't even know what time it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn in for the night. I'm gonna call mama, tell her that I reached. So yeah guys, I'm turning in. We'll pick up this vlog in the morning.
The next day.
a whole new day. It's Sunday now. This is the day that we're going home, but right now we're gonna get some breakfast. Guess what I'm for breakfast? I'm on the balcony of my mom's room, my mom and dad's room. The night sleep was okay. It was okay. At one point I got too cold, and then at the other point I got too hot under those sheets. Like sheesh, because there's no fan in there, so I couldn't even like turn on the fan throughout the night. So I just had to like rock it with the AC on and off. Anyway, we're gonna look something for breakfast now.
Because the face is on the mask, I can recognize it. Banana?
Yeah.
Good.
I'll take one as well.
What's an egg? Yeah. Come on, somebody. Yeah. Full breakfast. We'll see. Wow. This is looking good. Eh? This is some good looking breakfast. Wait, what? We're going to the beach today, but first we're gonna go to the room to collect some stuff. Guys, we're gonna go to the beach today, but it looks like those plans have to be changed because they said that there's a limit to the amount of people who can go to the beach, and right now they've reached that limit. We have to wait until them leave, but the fact of, and they said that they're expecting them to leave at around like 12 o'clock or so, and the fact of the matter is we're checking out at 12. So you guys already know, so that can't work. It's a shame too, because I actually did want to go to the beach. I was looking forward to it so much. Why? So right now we're just chilling and we're waiting to check out because yeah, there's nothing that we can really do. There's nothing to really be done. I mean, the pool is there, but the pool is full with people because like there's this big family here. They're by the pool right now. It's COVID. I don't want to mix up with all kind of different people, you know. So yeah, to be honest, nothing really fun has been done. The food here is really good though. The food, 10 out of 10 to be honest with you. I think I'm gonna just like go around and the property. Me and Chantal, I'll just take some pictures. Alright guys, I'm here with Chantal Crossfield and we're just chilling. Chantal, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you enjoying the vacation so far?
Good.
Which hotel do you prefer?
I like the Luxe Breakfast, but only for the beach.
Only for the beach, huh?
Yeah.
I see.
The beach was awesome. I had a lot of fun.
Okay, so you prefer the Luxe?
I don't know. I prefer this hotel in terms of hospitality and how it looks like.
I see. I say indeed, indeed. This hotel has a lot of benefits as it relates to the hospitality factor. It is really fun. It is really, really good. I really like this picture that Chantal took of me. We're going to continue taking pictures because this picture looks really good. Looks really good. Good job on that, Chantal.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look nice. Alright guys, so now we're going to this is the place right here. And look at this here. We're gonna take a couple pictures as well and see how it looks for them to know. You and Chantal have been ironing here from yesterday. Look, show them what this is. Well, that's great to see. the water a little bit more clean though. Protect my pics. Protect my pics. I like coming out here just to look at the view. It is a really pretty view, to be honest. It's really pretty. But anyways, leaving now. I turned off the lights and stuff. My bag's packed over there. Kind of clear out everything here. Watching Nickelodeon and this. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit. Yeah, there's nothing to read it. Let me plug out by this because I did plug this in, and let me turn off the closet light. Let me also check if I think the bathroom is good. The bathroom is good. I think I suppose you can take these little things. Oh, wrong one. Yep. Stuff these in the bag. Where in the bag can I stuff it? Let me turn on this. Oh, the remote still doesn't work, by the way. I have to actually use the button.
The first to stack all your collar chairs while Pete is driving around with the chairs full.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna put on my mask and get out of here. I'm gonna go down to meet up with the rest of the fam. Well, now we're leaving Cardiff, and that's the end of our vacation. So, Sayonara Cardiff, been good. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys. Oh wait, no, you can't go. You can't see me. Can you see me? No, anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I don't even know what to say. We're just going home right now, but thank you guys so much for showing my girls through.